Well, hello everyone and welcome to Momentum channel. My name is Mo, and in this video on the week 2 of our crypto challenge, we're going to take a close look at our investments in the cryptocurrency world, both with Wealthsimple Crypto as well as Coinsquare, walking you through what have been our purchases and sales, if any, during the past week, and where we stand when it comes to growing this portfolio from a mere $500 with the intention of growing it all the way to $10,000 of value. So without any further ado, let's get into it. All right, as you can see here, we are logged on to our Wealthsimple crypto account. You'd notice that the current value of our account right now is sitting close to 244 Canadian dollars. Let's just quickly walk through the return over the past several time periods. If you look at the 1 month return, we're showing a negative 4% return. The past 3 months return is showing a positive 22% return, or about $44. 1 year return is again similar to that, is 22%. Keep in mind this account was not opened that long ago, and as a result this is showing similar return as the 3 months. If we narrow down, the 1 week return is showing negative 4%, 24-hour return is showing negative 5%, and the 1 hour return is showing a negative 1% return. Now, if we look at the overall details here, you notice that the last trading price for Bitcoin is at about 68,000, so definitely has gone down a little bit. And the total value for this portfolio is at $218. The remaining of that, which is about 25 as well, is for us available for trading. All right, now let us go ahead and actually buy some shares of Bitcoin. The other option for us to trade would be Ethereum, but we are not quite interested in that. So let's just go ahead and buy $10 worth of Bitcoin. And the price, I'm just going to go ahead and put the order. We continue with that. You notice that for the buying of Bitcoin with Wealthsimple Trade, it doesn't give you the option to actually set up price, like advanced setting of price. You just have to place the order and buy it at the market value. So that's the difference that I do see here, as opposed to and compared to what you see for Coinsquare, which is the one that I do use as well, and that's an account where we have a larger portion of our funds into it. Now, if you scroll back and take a look at our account with crypto and Bitcoin, you notice that the $10 has been invested. We now have about $15 available for us to trade more. Most likely this week I will be adding some more funds to my account and use that to buy more shares of Bitcoin here. But if you scroll back and take a look at our account with Coinsquare, which is a larger portion of our funds, we'll notice that we are seeing roughly about 12 or 13% return, positive return overall. And that account, as I indicated in the week 1, has been opened for a longer period of time. So here you'd notice with Coinsquare, we have overall $544 in terms of amounts invested in this account, of which majority of it is already bought as a Bitcoin, and the remainder of it, around $36, is still left in cash. Most recently, we ended up actually buying some shares of Bitcoin this week, and I'm gonna walk you through that and show you that detail. So if I hover over to our transaction list and take a look, you'd notice here that for us in particular, if you look at the advanced trade, this is the feature that I was mentioning to you. Within Coinsquare, you have a chance, an option to set an advanced transaction. For instance, you could put an order that you'd like to purchase certain amounts of cryptocurrency at a certain price. So once that price is met, then the system would automatically buy it for you. And this is really something that I think is a lot more powerful as opposed to just buying at the market price. So I try to really take advantage of that. And you notice that on March 22nd, we bought $5 worth of Bitcoin, and it was triggered at the price of 67,980 Canadian dollars. So that brought our overall shares of Bitcoin to a higher range. So most likely I would add more to that. If we look at our advanced trade page, just to see whether there's anything pending in terms of advanced trading orders, you notice that actually there are a couple that are already active but haven't been triggered. So I've placed some limit buys for the price of 66,979. We've had some for the price of 63,979 and around 59,988. The slight difference that you'd see is mostly because of the spread. So for example, I put an order for 64,000, but the spread is keyed in because there would be some fees that Coinsquare would charge, and as a result the price would be slightly different. So keep that in mind. But putting an order is fairly simple. Maybe I can walk you through. So imagine I want to put an advanced trade order here on Coinsquare. I would just go to advanced trade. Now if you look at it, how much available funds you have, in my case I have about $6.25 because the rest of it has been already placed in order to buy. But let's just use that, and I'm going to buy Bitcoin. Let's say I want to use for a limit price of Bitcoin for the price of say 62,000, just for the sake of an example. As you see, as you key in the number, the actual limit price would just depending on, of course, the amount and of course the spread and fee that is being charged. So let's say I want to buy for $5 and the fee is about 0.1 to roughly about 0.2%, and you can place the buy order. It would only trigger once it actually hits that price. So let's just go ahead with that. We'll see, and we're going to put the limit buy order here. There you have it, folks. A quick overview of how our crypto portfolio has been doing and how we're going about that. I hope you found this video beneficial and you gained something of value from it. Let me know if you are investing in cryptocurrencies or not, and what brokerage account you're using for that purpose. Love to hear from you, so be sure to leave a comment down below. By the way, if you have not done so already, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from the video as well. And don't forget to subscribe to Momentum channel. Here on Momentum, we post weekly various videos about investing in the stock market, cryptocurrency, real estate, as well as financial planning and financial education. Thank you, and I hope to see you next time.